Everyone and their uncle has told you buying a house is the smartest money move you'll ever make. Right? Well, what if I told you it could actually leave you poorer? Not richer. Poorer. Stick with me, this one might sting a little. Now don't get me wrong, owning a home can be incredible. Stability, privacy, a place that's actually yours. No landlord texting you at 9 p.m. But here's the thing, a great place to live and a great investment? Not the same thing. And that mix-up costs people a fortune. Point 1, the hidden costs will sneak up on you. You're thinking about the mortgage, right? That's the tip of the iceberg. Property taxes. Insurance. Repairs. That water heater that dies at the worst possible time. Suddenly your dream home is draining your bank account every single month. Point 2, home prices don't just go up forever. We all know that one person whose house doubled in value. But is that the norm? Not even close. Some neighborhoods sit flat for a decade. Some drop. And if life forces you to sell in a bad market, you could walk away with way less than you put in. Quick story. Emma and David, same savings, same starting point. Emma buys the biggest house she can afford. David buys smaller and invests the difference. 10 years later? Emma's got a gorgeous house and a decade of repair bills. David's got a modest home and investments that have been quietly growing the whole time. Neither one made a wrong choice. But guess who has more options now? Point 3, buy a home because it fits your life, not because everyone says you have to. Sometimes renting and investing the difference builds way more wealth. The best financial decision isn't the popular one, it's the one that fits your goals. If this made you rethink things even a little, hit subscribe. I drop simple finance videos every week. And I want to know, house first or investment first? Drop it in the comments.